Hey everyone, welcome back to World Best Solution 220. If you've been searching for the newest Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest codes, then today's video is exactly what you need. Right now, a lot of players are trying to find the latest working codes after the new update, and in this video we're going through some of the newest reward codes currently available in the game. These new 99 Nights in the Forest codes can help you collect free rewards, useful boosts, bonus items, and extra resources that can make surviving in the forest much easier. Some of the codes in today's video are fresh update rewards, while others are hidden redeem codes that many players still haven't used yet. If you want to progress faster, survive longer nights, and unlock more rewards without wasting time grinding, these new codes are definitely worth checking out. On World Best Solution 220, I always try to bring the newest Roblox updates, trending redeem codes, and fresh reward videos before most players find them. So if you enjoy Roblox content like this and want more unique code videos in the future, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and stay tuned for upcoming updates. And now, let's take a look at the latest Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest codes available right now.
I'm so happy.